Hello, it's me, Zyapkai. A year ago, I told you how to be a programmer, but quite a lot has changed until then. Let's go over how to be a programmer in 2023. So, you wanna be a programmer? Well, I'll show you. Let's start you off with a programming language. You have a few options to pick from, ranging from, well, C to something like Python. And of course you chose C. Yeah, you watched one Terry Davis rant and you immediately think every other language is trash. But guess what? I won't let you pick that one. I'm sick and tired of seeing new programmers pick up something like C and cry about it when their Hello World program segfaults. Here. Take it. Take it. Good boy. Well, time for you to go watch some tutorials. Sit down then. Let's choose a tutorial that's right for you. Well, you're ready. Now we move on to step 2. Start writing some stuff. Obviously you can't write some big stuff like actual enterprise software or some networked stuff. Probably not even anything with graphics, but maybe a small calc. I know. You tried making your own operating system and started crying after you learned what a bootloader was. Good job. You're not really that good at following directions. Let me tell you some stuff you can make.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。
Time for step 3. Hey, it's now time to learn another language. And with doing that, gaining the ability to learn any other language in just a few days. For this, I suggest either Java, C++, C or C#. You can also choose languages like Jai, Rust or Carbon, but you are probably better off with these ones. Choose one and hold on to dear life. You will most likely use it forever and ever 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 and ever. Great job! Now find a job. What? Why the heck would you go through all this hassle if not to find a job? Anyways, AI is going to replace us all anyways. Might as well enjoy our last few decades as programmers. Well, that's how you become a programmer in 2023. I will make a video about what I actually think about AI replacing jobs soon, but until then, it is I, Zyapkai, and Zyapkai out.